Hey guys, so this is the after of the nursery, which of course entails a little nursery tour. So we're going to start here to the left of us. And here we have, first let me say hi. My footprints as a baby. And then we've got the ever so sweet Jace resting with his bunny. He looks so cuddly. And the changing table. And then we've got the, speaking of something real quick. When I was cleaning out the closet, I came across a box of preemie clothes that I didn't even know I had. So if there's somebody, they're mostly girl. If there's somebody's out there that's interested in them, just find me on Instagram. My username is Nicole Bowling, and it's the same picture as on YouTube. And we can strike up a deal. So here is the dresser that my niece and I redid. Excuse me, just a second. Daddy is outside grilling chicken, and I think the neighbor was knocking at the front door until he saw him. And here we have the lovely, beautiful Nanny McBee, who is awfully quiet while Daddy is not here. And I wonder why. And people always want to know what her tag says. This is what it says. Her real name is Molly. That is the McBee. Its M is for Molly. Molly was called Old Maid, now #1 sought-after partner at the Saturday Night Senior Friends Social Club. So that is Miss Nanny McBee. Anyways, Daddy's going to be on soon, hopefully tomorrow. But we got Robin here resting in the rock and play, looking adorable. And some wall art I helped decorate there. And then in this corner we have my old vintage pram and some very old teddy bears. This one, for instance, was mine as a child. It has no eyeballs. I need to put some back on it. Some buttons. Anyways, and then in this corner, more wall art. And in case y'all haven't seen me as a baby, see if I can zoom in. That is me as a baby. I had lots of hair and so forth. And then here is the bigger picture. Pretty interesting. 7 pounds, 12 ounces. So let me zoom back out. And of course there is my bottle holder, and we've got some dollies on top. The book holder on the bottom that we turned into a book holder and painted it. The chair and the gliding ottoman from my sister. Some very old prints my mom gave me a long time ago. Not too terribly long. And some old ceramic butterflies. And the beautiful quilt that goes to the baby bedding, which is handmade by a good friend of ours that was specially picked out and made for my sister's first baby, Sophie. And here we have Opal and Harper. And guess what? I have the rug down. And in this dresser, that'll be another project because it is also stuffed with clothes. I ended up donating a huge lawn and garden bag of baby stuff. Just all kinds of stuff, and I still have lots left over for giveaways. Anyways, that's a wreath I made a while back. So are y'all ready for the big reveal? Here we go. Without further ado, Ta-da! Remember what a mess this nursery was and how bad this closet was? This lets you show, yes, I did hang quite a few things, but man, I got rid of a lot of stuff. I mean, I could barely drag the bag. That's how much stuff. So everything's organized and complete. And my storage and their shoes, the baby boys and girls. A lot of their dresses are up there. And more storage up there. So yeah, we got it done. Me and Maple. Maple and I, shall I say. So anyways, that is it. That is the cleaned and revamped nursery. Trying to back up so y'all can get a better shot of it. And everything is good. I feel good about it. Feel real good. Just one little quick spin around the room. And we'll end on the babies. Or you know what? We'll end on Jace. So from one reborn mommy to another, or maybe those are new and do not know what reborn babies are, you can check out my previous video. Take care, good night, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.